Hey everybody, have I got an unboxing? I teased you guys during my Craft With Me Wednesday about the box. Look at it's just an Amazon box. It did not come from Amazon. This came from a really sweet fellow creator. I'm gonna have to stand up for this one, guys, so because there's a lot of tape going on here. Wow. Oh, and I could have done all this ahead of time, but I wanted you guys to get my genuine reaction to this unboxing. First, we got to get all of the tape off. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, there's a lot of tape. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Let's see, how do we want to do this? Okay, let's go this way. Okay, I see what's going on here. Okay. So let me tell, there's a story behind this. This person, this came from Wambui Made It. You know, I have discovered her loom knitting channel, and we have become fast friends. And Nareda introduced us, and she is an awesome loom knitter and an awesome friend. And she loves the tape, apparently. So we were talking one day, and she's like, listen, I'm gonna buy a new one of these in a different brand. Would you like to, I have two older models, would you like to have one? Just, you know, reimburse me for the shipping. And I'm like, I don't know, it depends on how much it weighs. So it did not weigh as much as we thought. And so I sent her the money for the shipping. And it's well packaged. Oh my God. Okay. I can wrap that around. Wow. Oh my God, you guys, you're gonna die. You're just gonna die when you see what's in here. Okay. She has gifted this to me, and I am so blown away. I never thought that I would own what's in this box. I don't think I would have ever bought it for myself. It is, let me get rid of the box. It is a Cricut machine. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Thank you, Wambui, you guys. And look at what color it is. Oh, wow. Now, you guys are going to have to help me out with this. Like, what do I do? Send me some project ideas, because I haven't got a clue. I'm going to have to start doing some YouTube investigation. It's not light. It's about 17 pounds to be exact. I've got to find a place to put it. I have no idea where I am going to put this. Wow. Oh my God. Wait till you guys see what color this is. Maybe you already know. All right, boy, my garbage can's gonna be full after this. This is all the cords that go with it. Oh my God, look guys, it's a Cricut machine and it's pink. Look, a Cricut maker. Wow, oh my God, wow, look at this. It's gorgeous. Oh, you guys, wow, Wambui, thank you. Oh, I just never thought I would own one. And it's beautiful. I don't have a clue what to do with it. Is this where my scissors go? Like we put the scissors there? Ta-da! I'm blown away. Oh my God, guys. Look how beautiful. Oh, look. It just opens by itself. Is there something in there? Oh, look. There's stuff in here. Little pens. I'm going to have to do some research. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Wambui, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So I've got to find a place here in the craft room for it. Oh my God, I'm going to cry. This is so amazing. Oh my God. You guys, I have the best friends. I really do. I have the best friends. With the biggest hearts. I knew that this was what it was, but to like, I don't know what to do with it. I have to figure out how to do all this stuff, but it's beautiful. It's pink. Wow. You know, for somebody to just give this to you is just awesome. Thank you so much. Look at that. It just opens on its own. Look at that. Oh my God. That's so cool. I have a Cricut. Yes, another rabbit hole for me. Really, thank you so much, Wambui. I love it, and it's beautiful, and I'm sure there'll be lots of projects in my future. Somebody mentioned tonight during the live that I can, you know, cut out my quilting stuff here. I'm clueless how to do that, but I'm sure that my subscribers will help me out. So thank you so much, Wambui. I love you for this, and yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Yeah, I know I'm always a mess, but thank you so much. Take care, and I will see you in tomorrow's morning show. I'm gonna go finally have some dinner, and I'll see you all later. Bye.